Hey guys, Raphael here again with Nova Cleaners. Today I want to show you how to properly deep clean a door. Here is what you need to get the job done. First, you need something to properly disinfect the door handle. Most people touch the door handles to open the door and close it, and there is a ton of bacteria on it. Then you need a gentle dish soap. This is the one I like to use. You're going to go ahead, use a microfiber cloth, and you need a sponge, and you need a soft bristle brush to get into the hard to reach places. Let's start by discussing the problem areas that most people neglect when they're cleaning a door. Most people completely miss this part right here. You can see there is a ton of dirt that gets in behind the door, and that needs to be properly cleaned. You also got little grooves right here, and a lot of people don't get those properly cleaned, and that is why you need a bristle brush to get all that dirt out, or you can use a vacuum attachment to get that all down as well. And lastly, don't forget the door frames. Just because you're cleaning the door doesn't mean you get to neglect the door frames, especially on the top. There is so much dirt that always gets trapped up there. No matter what you're cleaning, the first step should always be dusting. You can either use a vacuum to vacuum the whole thing down, or use a microfiber cloth to get all the dust removed from the entire door. And as always, work top to bottom, left to right. After you've done a thorough dusting of the entire door and the frames, you gotta make sure you look and see if there's any scuff marks on the door. You gotta assess it. Is it a mark that can be cleaned? Or is it a mark that has done damage to the paint? And that is something you might have to bring up to the client before the cleaning starts. That way you don't get blamed for it.